Hello everyone and welcome to our ICT Kakao College Massage Therapy School video channel. Now what I would like to demonstrate next is called kneading. Kneading is moving in any type of circular fashion. So I can use both of my hands and knead on both sides of her back, and I can knead up and down the spine, or I can reinforce my hand and do kneading with one hand only on one side, then the other side. I can always use my fingertips. I can simply circle with my fingertips up and down the spine. As long as we are doing continuous circular motion, the technique is called kneading. I can use my thumbs, okay? Or I can use my forearm and do circles with my forearm. Still kneading. Kneading, performing circles.